Didn't know cars can filter. That car is still way over back there. Jesus. It was like, that car was going like 30 miles per hour in the 40 zone. And also as well, I swear that car was swerving as well. So we're blocking up the fucking... There's one thing I don't understand is people... Fucking hell. That's horse freaking crap. Hope I didn't run over that. That is a hazard. You're alright, dickhead. Fucking moron. What's the freaking point of proceeding if your exit is fucking blocked? Riding around with a mobile phone. Get a hand-free set. Every brand new mobile phone that you buy you get a hand-free set for free. And I just don't get it why people just don't use the hand-free set. And if you want to get yourself a hand-free set, it doesn't cost you a lot of money to get a hand-free set. And this is what really pissed me off with car drivers. You can get a hand-free set for free if you buy a new phone, or if you're on the new contract. You get a free free handset, for fuck's sake. You! Off your phone! Get off your phone! Jesus. I am just lucky. Fuck you, no. See how close that bus was? Jesus. I hope that I get the freaking license plate of that. I'm gonna make a complaint. You see me coming, I'm riding a white motorcycle. I'm wearing a black armour in daytime. There's no excuse to do that. If you're gonna bully me because, or you're gonna treat me different because I'm got an L plate, then you're just a complete dick. Yeah, I'm glad I had paid attention. I am freaking glad I paid attention. If I did not pay attention, I would have gone straight into her. It's amazing how to try to correct their mistakes, well, you just, if it's safe to do so, safely do it. But if you can't do it, just carry on the same route. I needed help. I was saying, I think I was talking about the shed. It's not finished, the roof and that, because the person that posted done it, oh, stupid place to freaking park your van. Posted
20 minutes later.
when the shed was actually done, that could have almost been an accident if she wasn't paying attention, or the view of her being blocked, and other things. But yes, it was just
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come